This goes out to the world, this goes out to the stress, sorting out a million thoughts running through your head. To everyone that's waiting for better days ahead, tired and frustrated and leaving words unsaid, please don't hold your breath and just breathe, 'cause it's a miracle we can breathe. There's power in the way that we breathe. Release your heavy burdens and let everything that has breath praise the Lord.
Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What we'll see will defy explanations. If you want to feel paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change the world. There's nothing to it. There is no life I know to compare with pure imagination. Living there, you'll be free if you truly wish to be. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change the world. There's nothing to it.
Hello, new world, all the boys and girls. I got some true stories to tell. You're back outside, but they still lied. Whoa, yeah. Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss. Take off the weird jewelry, I'ma take 10 steps, then I'm taking off top off. Take off them fabricate streams and the microwave memes, it's a real world outside. Take off your idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo. Take off the Sandro pay, 5-day stay, take a $250,000, hella follow. Take off the fuck flag, take off perception, take off the cop with the iPad. Take off the allure, take off the unsure, take off decisions I lack. Take off the fake deep, take off the fake woke, take off the I'm broke, I care. Take off the gossip, take off the new logic, that if I'm rich, I'm real. Take off the Chanel, take off the Doja, take off the Birkin bag. Take all that designer boy off and what do you have?
You ugly as
You out of pocket.
2 ATMs, you stepping to what?
You out of pocket.
Who you think they talk about? Talk about us.
You out of pocket.
Who you think they carry out for us?
Get back in pocket.
The world in a panic, the women is stranded, the men on the run. The profits abandoned, the law take advantage, the market is crashing, the industry wants to sleep in the box while they making a mockery following us. This ain't monopoly, watching for luck. This ain't monogamy, y'all getting jumping on what the hell is that? I gotta relax when I feel. All my descendants, they come in my sleep and say I am too real. I'm done with the sensitive, taking it personal, done with the black and the white, the wrong and the right. You hoping for change and miracles, I know the feelings that came with burial cries. You ugly as
You out of pocket.
2 ATMs, you stepping to what?
You out of pocket.
Who you think they talk about? Talk about us.
You out of pocket.
Who you think they carry out for us?
Serving up a look, dancing in a drop.
go to the big step but never lose account. Venting in the safe house. Venting in the safe. Can I feel out my truth? I got.
Plain Jane roll it, brand new shoes on me. Whole lot of racks, no BB King, but I keep the blues on me. Too independent, these labels don't even know what they can do with me. I need 100 or better. Surrounded by nothing but stuff, but shoot it, gon' shoot it up. You say Plain Jane roll it, brand new shoes on me. Whole lot of racks, no BB King, but I keep the blues on me. Too independent, these labels don't even know what they can do with me. I need 100 or better. Surrounded by nothing but stuff, but shoot it, gon' shoot it up. You say it's I got it all out the muscle. Daddy told me just go hard for this shit, but I'm still in the hood, gotta hustle. Late nights on the road at a couple of licks. I never change on my people, my brother, my world black and white. It's hard to live in color. Can I make a difference? Just sit back and wonder. This shit that I'm feeling got me going under. I got people that's depending on me, so I'm putting lyrics to piano keys. Got too many shooters that's hanging around. You gon' die if you come with the team. I'm one of the greatest to come through and do it. I know that they hate it, it's hard to see. I know that they hate it, it's hard to see. But I gotta get it by any means, yeah. Life for the party, we can get started. Drip stone cold, but I'm not Steve Austin. Sold out shows, so chicks like Boston. I'm way too wavy for to that stuff. On my blackjack, bitch, can't get no dap. I be all on the road, but I'm good in the trap. I can make you dance like Roger and Zappy, yeah. Brand new shoes on me. Whole lot of racks, no BB King, but I keep the blues on me. Too independent, these ladies don't even know what they can do with me. I need 100 or better. Surrounded by nothing but stuff, but shoot it, gon' shoot it up. You say it's
We the best music. Another one. DJ Khaled.
I like the wretchedest women. Go. G6, let's get it. Rich coming down to the city. On God. Yo, outside getting litty. Showing me the titties. Acting like a menace. Standing on the couch. Standing on business. Drinks in your mouth. Swallow, don't spit it. Party all the time. Feeling like Diddy. Shining a little wrist. Feeling like Billy. God did. I'm a witness. I just sent 50 bottles to know the gang getting a VIP by the penny. Still in the meeting. Be back in a minute. The phone talking chicken. We the best, we too blessed, we keep winning. We the best. The party won't stop, it won't finish. Let's get it.
Let's get it. We did it. I'm committed. We all in it. In the city. We get litty. Get out your feelings and go get some binges.
God did. I'm a witness. I just sent 50 bottles to know the gang getting a VIP by the penny. Still in the meeting, be back in a minute.
Until I activate, throw it back, it got an aftertaste. Patty cake, call me 6 figures of patty face. Went to school at hard knocking, I graduated. I can't with that be aggravated. If I can't get that bag, I'm agitated. She popping that, but she graduated. On the party, it's animated. They keep telling me it's my time to Tony Hawk grind like it, I gotta take it. Angels watch over me, looking at demons and can't run, you gotta face it. When they give up on you, they don't need with you. Take it back to the basics. I'm a Dundada, lace on my Prada, popping my collar, 3-6 Mafia. We did it. I'm committed. We all in it. In the city. We get litty. Get out your feelings and go get some binges.
God did.